What's good, guys? Welcome back to another Jacob Crypto Bury video. Today we're going to look at AXIE. Boom, look how good the market is looking. It's flashing green, and we're on the gaming network map right here for crypto, and we can see everything in the gaming space or for cryptocurrency, all your play to earn, all your sandbox. You know, AXIE Infinity is the #1 pump of the day in the whole of the gaming space, so it is leading by example, and everyone has got their eyes on AXIE Infinity at the moment with this whopping 20% pump on the day. So stay tuned if you want to hear this educational content about what's going to happen with AXIE Infinity. Watch till the end of the video, guys. And yeah, it looks absolutely incredible. So AXIE Infinity is up by 20% today. We can see we're back to $72. Big pump. Rank 30 in the whole ecosystem with $5.6 billion market cap. And this has happened prior to the launch of the Origins, the V3 version of AXIE Infinity. You can see here AXIE Infinity Origin. This is the update that is yet to still come out, and it's so exciting because it's not even happened yet. We're seeing this great euphoria and impulse, and everyone's getting so excited because everyone is so, very much anticipating what's going to happen. They know some big things are coming. The most significant development underway, helping to boost the forward outlook for AXIE, is the upcoming launch of AXIE Infinity Origin, which is expected to take place in the coming weeks, and they haven't actually clarified when, but they did say it was going to be at least in Q1 or late Q2. So this is going to be super exciting, and the steady growth on the Ronin network, which is helping to scale as well the AXIE Infinity itself. So what I'm really excited about is the Origins test release. So it was mentioned that the developers are pushing hard to polish the game, and they are aiming to release Origin Alpha by the end of March. So that's just in a few days pretty much. It is expected that AXIE Origin will release sometime around Q1 of 2022. And what's really big for all of these play to earn DeFi degens and gamers, the people that love playing this particular game, is that they're going to actually roll this out as well on desktop computers, and then it's going to be rolled out and mobilized as well. So you can play on your phone, you can play on your tablet, and other kind of bits of gadgets that you've got in your household. So this is super bullish, guys. And there was another bit of interesting news here with it's just, yeah, Delphi Digital. So we can see that RON staking will incentivize holders to lock up their tokens to help secure the Ronin network in exchange for RON rewards. Ronin is the answer to AXIE Infinity's scaling problem. So it's also going to sort out some protocol issues over there, again making the whole ecosystem stronger for AXIE, and probably lead to more big price action to the upside. So like I say, guys, AXIE is doing really well today. If you're new here, do smash that subscribe, by the way. We've come down from $157, and we're already working our way up back to $70. It looked like a good key under valuation zone for AXIE Infinity, and I'm really excited about what could potentially happen for the future, as I do have a small bag of AXIE, so it would be rude for me not to comment on what's going on. So we did a recent video on AXIE Infinity, and when you look at the fib retracement over time and you pull up to that impulse, you're coming back down to this 0.786 fib level, and between that 0.618, between $38 and $65. And you can see we didn't quite get to that 0.786, but this is a mad reaccumulation zone. So if it does come down to here again, I'm going to be madly buying AXIE Infinity, basically. We can see we've got a descending triangle, massive weekly candle. We broke to the upside. If you watch a recent video on this of my TA, you would have seen this descending triangle that I was speaking about. And we have pretty much hit our technical target, which is this key resistance here at $73. So we're still trying to get through that particular resistance, but okay, we're getting a bit of rejection, which is likely and expected. It does also look like a bit of a double bottom reversal pattern, but really this is the neckline that we want to be breaking through, and this is the $72 level that we need to see us break through. I think once that happens, the next target is going to be this $83 zone. So if we do smash through here, guys, it's going to be a big impulse to the upside, just taking into consideration that we are on that 75 in the RSI, so we're looking a little bit overbought on that particular time frame, but we did get that bullish cross on the MACD, which could effectively indicate a good strong bull reversal. And again, on the weekly time frame, look at the MACD. We've gone from this green into flashing white, where we got the distribution, and we're getting the opposite now. We're getting the red into the the pinkish white, which means, okay, are we going to start an uptrend? Are we going to get back into this bull market support band, which we are? Maybe there's a golden cross going to happen here for AXIE Infinity, and maybe that's going to be the beginning of the uptrend. And that was the death cross over here on the 10th of December, and now it looks like we're, again, we're trying to push through this $72 resistance. So yeah, I think this is potentially a good time to load up, maybe even do a long position. I'll leave some links in the description if you do want to buy this particular project. Do your own research, of course, not financial advice. But it looks like, for me, if we can consolidate here just where we need to, create this nice bull flag, bull pennant, that's where we can see the pump to the upside. As you can see, we've got these higher lows and we've got these wicks at the top, and it's demonstrating a nice symmetrical triangle, bull flag, bull pennant at this particular price level. Now, technically speaking, what you would do is actually take the flagpole and you'd use that flagpole to give you a technical target, which would give us around $94. However, I think that's slightly unlikely, given that we are very overheated on this RSI over here. And why are we on the 2 hour time frame? I don't know, but yeah, just keep an eye on that, because the price has come up, the RSI has dropped a little, does show slight bearish divergences, but I don't really think anything major is going to happen on the bearish side unless we lose the support at $71 in this symmetrical triangle. Maybe we can come back down to like $67 or so, but I do think if we break out this symmetrical triangle here, very important on this hourly time frame, that we're going to see more price movement to the upside and break those upcoming resistances. So super bullish for AXIE Infinity, guys. Metaverse, play to earn, gaming, it's not going anywhere, it's just getting stronger. And so many people play this game in the Philippines, in Thailand, in Malaysia, Indonesia. It's massively adopted in Asia, and these are the people that are keeping that floor price for AXIE high. And we can see $44 has proved to be an absolute whopping support zone, and we can write that in. So anywhere in this range, this is where we can expect the price to go. If we get rejected at $73, we can expect to come back down to 45 at the worst case scenario. Otherwise, I think it's, all guns ablaze. $83 is a good pragmatic approach because of the previous wick here on the 17th of January, which does highlight to us a good bit of resistance. So that's where I would be taking profits from the $72 impulse to 83, and there's a good 15% long opportunity right there. So that's what I'm thinking. Otherwise, I mean, if you're a long-term hodler and you're not really interested in the trading scenario, I mean, it's still got huge scope for the future. If we assume this is the market cycle bottom for this bull run, we can use the fib extension, and straight away we're getting some price targets: $200, $218, $243. So it does also show that this is particularly a good level to potentially re-accumulate. And the way I see it, again, big greed and fear, big greed and fear, big greed over here. So lots of greed, lots of fear, and we're just getting these cycles of emotions. This is the greed, this is the fear, and at the start, this was the greed here. So now what was greedy before is actually now fearful. Isn't it so strange how everything in August 2021 was fear when we saw the correction over here in September, but now we've got greed at the same price level. I think that's completely amazing how all of this emotion invalidates the sentiment, and it's if you believe in a project that much, you'll hold it for 5 years and you'll be rewarded by the market. It's that simple. Don't let the emotions catch you out, guys. If you like this anti-high video, make sure you smash a sub, leave a comment down below, and yeah, I do all of those things. You can grab some of this AXIE Infinity as well on the eToro exchange. Basically, it's quite easy to do. You're just going to make an account on eToro, hop over to the AXIE Infinity on the exchange, deposit some funds, and it's probably one of the safest platforms because of the FCA accreditations and regulations that they've got. They're fully audited as well. So do check that out, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye for now.